If you're looking for a Savannah girl statue, we have them in Easley, South Carolina. We are right across the road from the Easley Chamber of Commerce Visitor Center. We have a little garden center. We have lots of garden art, lots of unique items. This one's really cool. There's the shadow. The Savannah girl here in Easley, South Carolina, close to Greenville, South Carolina, right across from the Chamber of Commerce Visitor Center, next to Los Amigos Mexican restaurant, in behind Little Caesars and AutoZone. We have the U-Haul moving supplies here. We have the storage facility here. Really cool sunflowers. There's Marley. We have all types of stuff. We have a big variety of items. I'm looking in the sun as we speak. But the biggest thing is this Savannah girl. If you're looking for a Savannah girl statue, we would definitely appreciate your business. Don't hesitate to call. We are on property 24/7. We open up at 6 a.m. and we stay open till 10 p.m. every night, 7 days a week.